Good morning. It is Wednesday and it's supposed to be like 80 degrees today. I'm so excited. It's gonna be really hot or seem really hot since we've only been, I think the hottest has been like 69, maybe in the 70s, but not really. Anyways, what do you want? She has a really nasty nose. I need to fix it. You want raspberries? Can you say raspberries?
Raspberries.
Very good.
No.
Princess got a haircut. Now she looks a lot tinier. Raspberries and strawberries just for you. Can you say thank you? Remember how to say thank you?
Oh.
Helen?
Oh.
Thank you. Say thank you. Close enough. Good girl. I'm trying to teach her the signs. Not that I know them, but that's just what I've gotten off the internet and books. So that's what, can you go sit down? So she's trying really hard. Crazy how fast they catch on. It's just crazy, crazy, crazy. The doctor called yesterday. I was on my way to Walmart and they said that my iron is very low and I have anemia. So I have to start taking iron and eat things with lots of iron in them. So I bought some broccoli and some spinach and I said eat some dried fruit. So I have been having craisins and nuts. It's really fun. Is that yummy?
No.
No. Can you go sit down?
No.
Go sit down. It's vitamin time. Here's my vitamins. I do not have to take all of these. These are for like today and tomorrow. But I have a very hard time taking them with just water. So I take them with juice. This is lemonade, raspberry lemonade. Pearl got some crazy shoes. They look fancy and then they're even more fancy because they have a remote and cables and that. Pretty cool.
We cannot find the outlet. This is right up. Because they need to charge before they'll light up.
Right.
What?
Right.
But anyway, they're very pretty.
They are very beautiful. Man. Pearl waited 4 hours for these silly shoes to charge.
They're not silly. They're
She was sort of patient. Sort of. Not really. Do you need help?
no. Just these are... Where's the thingy?
Do you know how to use it?
No. No,
Is it on?
yes.
Phew. Oh, there's some snazzy shoes. You look like you should be in a music video or something. On. She's getting her remote. Let's hope they work. Turn off the light. Okay, I figured out how to turn them on. Now we just have to see if they change colors.
Alright, so now on. Woohoo! We got it working. Chelsea, can you do this?
They're pretty cool. It's hard to tell how cool they are. Don't get too close. Back a little bit.
Dum dum dum. Look cool in the day and look better at night.
Good morning. It is now Thursday. I'm back with Helen. My boss is super fabulous and lets me come in late on Thursdays. Since I get done late on Wednesdays. So she's very, very lovely. Yeah, your mom's quite nice. Anyways, we are walking Puppy. Francis is inside watching her show. There's so many pretty flowers. Look at this flower.
We are drawing. This is Coco's star eyeballs. This is Coco's butterfly.
Star eyeballs, huh?
Here's this mine. We're adding decorations to our butterflies. Okay, now do you want to add some decorations to the wings? Stars are like the eyeballs. Stars. Very nice. She's doing stars on her wings.
Even Helen's drawing.
I actually call that it's okay. Now, do you want to make a name for it? Sure. What do you want? Ocean. Ocean. You want me to write that for you?
Naming your butterfly Ocean. It's quite the butterfly.
You'll look better than mine.
It's okay. She's good at it. Because she's done it a lot. You'll get better. Right? My.
No, the camera is not your mama. No, Chelsea is not your mama. Say hi. Mama. No, don't say mama. No, don't say mama. Say hi. I'm so happy. I jumped down.
Did? Oh my goodness. Hey, Helen, how old are you? Are you 1? Can you do 1? Good job. 1? 1? Do you think Popo can do 1?
Okay.
Oh, can you help her?
Okay.
She did it! Say yay! Can you clap? Can you do 2? Don't yell. Well, yeah. 2's a little hard. What?
We're twinsies, Helen. We both put up 10. Yeah, there's a little bit of a difference because you're 7 years younger than me. Because I belong if you realize.
Dinner time. We're gonna have grilled cheese. Lightning. I don't think you can see it. It's not raining or anything, but ooh. There's the moon. Alright, good morning. It is now Friday. I decided I'm gonna close this vlog, and then if I want to vlog at work, I can start a new one because this one is going really long. So anyways, I'm sorry Andrew hasn't really been in it. I don't think he's been on it at all, except for maybe like 5 seconds. This is hard because he's at work all day and I'm usually at work. And I can vlog at my work, but he can't, so I'm gonna try to start having a new schedule where I have 1 vlog a week of like me with the kids, and then I'm gonna try to do weekend vlogs if we never do anything. So we'll see. I'll try to be better about it, but anyways. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm starting to post more regularly. I say this all the time and it hasn't happened. But anyways, thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye.